Hey everybody, welcome back to iPhone Bloke, the tech tuber where we help quality people to pick up quality product. Now, in today's video, I've got certain trivia for one and all, and this is in context to safety, security, and of course, our beloved SUVs. So, did you know that every year in India there are about 4.5 lakhs accident which happens on highways? And would you really want to know how many of them have survived till date and what is the percentage of people die after each and every accident on highways? If this is what you want to know and if you want to know, so top 4 India's subcompact safest SUV along with the most airbags and importance, price and stuff, then stay tuned because in this video I'm going to talk about. So let's get started. So in India, as per NHAI, National Highway Authority of India survey, it says that every year round about 4.5 lakhs accidents happen on highways, and out of which 1.5 lakh people, mind it, 1.5 lakh people die on the spot because of bad car safety, because of fatal accidents, because of poor build and blah blah blah. Now, in this wonderful video, I want to talk about your safety, your security. In case if you want to be a new buyer in the category of SUV, these are must-know facts before you go on and buy an SUV or any car in the market today in 2021. Because right now, the speed is going high, the percentage of death is going ever high on highways, and because of expressways and blah blah blah, a lot of people are dying because of overspeeding and various other reasons. So I want to first of all talk about the importance of airbags, the repair cost of airbags, and this is a special video which I want to dedicate to one of my subscribers, Deepesh, for requesting us to make a video. So Deepesh, thank you so much. I'm so sorry I could not make this video a little earlier, so this is one for you. So airbags has got immense importance. Nowadays, every car SUV has an airbag. What are the importance? Now, primarily airbags is nothing but a very nice material of cloth with a lot of cushioning in it. And the most important airbags which you happen to have is on the steering wheel. Number one. Second, you have your co-passenger, and then you have the back side and other parts of your car as well. So we're going to talk about the importance of airbags. So whenever your car has get a massive front bumper hit, or somebody hits it from the back or the front, and if you're steering or some of the sensors in your car which are inbuilt for airbags feel that they need to pop up, that is where you get a cushion, like kind of a pillow cushion, which kind of bumps up on your face and it protects your head and all the important parts of your body, primarily the head part and this part, so that you remain safe and sound. So this is the most important work of, let's say airbags in SUV. Now, another important thing which people have asked me quite often in chat section is, what is the repair cost? Now, first of all, let me tell you, whenever your airbags come out, it is a costly affair. It will not cost you less than 100,000, which is almost a lakh if I go with INR, because the airbags are of extremely plush quality. And whenever people have to fit in a brand new airbag, they have to open the steering and the entire system, and that takes a lot of money. So repairing an airbag is absolutely no sense at all. And mind you all, the costliest cars, let's say BMW and all these cars, they also have a warranty and a guarantee for a certain number of years for your airbags. And that's also one of the reasons why these cars are so expensive. So yeah, expense is there with repair if your airbag has come out. And generally airbags come out when there's a massive collision with the front bumper or the side or all those things. Now let's talk about the other aspects of airbags and its importance. With the help of this video in 2021, I want to talk about India's top 4 subcompact SUVs, which has almost the maximum airbags in its segment. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is Kia Sonet, the new arrival, which is very, very good. Kia Sonet has got 6 airbags in its top model. Now, all these models I'm going to talk about will be a top model with the top-notch airbags. Kia Sonet has got 6 airbags. The crash test of Kia Sonet is yet to be done, so I can't comment on that. Ford has got 6 airbags. Now Ford crash test as per global NCAP has not been done yet, but then American organizations have done it with the help of American Highway Association of India, and they gave Ford. Now global NCAP is yet to come for Ford EcoSport. So that's got 6 airbags. You have Hyundai Venue, which is a very small car, but mind you, it has 6 airbags in its top model. And Hyundai Venue has also got a decent amount of rating in terms of security and safety. The topmost car in this category is XUV300. It has not got 5, 6, it has 7 airbags altogether. Along with that, it is the safest car in India when it comes to global NCAP crash test. It has scored the highest in adult and child safety, beating Tata Nexon. And that's why, XUV300 happens to be my recommendation for a lot of people who want to buy a subcompact SUV in today in India. So these were the important points I wanted to share with one and all. In case you want to know what is a global NCAP and the crash test, I'll link a video in the card and you can watch it whenever you have time. Well, in case if I've answered your question, give me a subscription, comment us, connect with us on Twitter, Instagram, and we'll be more than happy to help you in your car buying guide. Till next time, take care.